My name's Tim Wolfe and I'm from Irvington, Virginia. Want to launch a mobile detailing business on the northern neck of Virginia, and everything that I read and watched online gave some real good insight as to what you could learn coming to Detail King to gain the knowledge on how to properly, professionally detail cars and get some sort of expertise in branding your business and growing it. The exterior training was top notch, just like the business side of everything. The methods and procedures, they've got it dialed into every detail that needs to be covered. It's covered in the training. A lot of different tools I never thought I would need to use, but clearly they make the job a lot easier, a lot quicker, make you more efficient. Highly recommend the training, the program to anybody that's even considering getting into the business.